देखो इधर देखो, बाल बाल मत काट देना। क्या तो ना ये वीडियो को कवर कर देगा। अरे वाह,
क्या घास मंगवाई है?
अरे गौशाला से। ध्यान से ध्यान से।
The OnePlus Pad Go, in the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, offers a well-rounded set of specifications, making it a good choice for users seeking a budget-friendly yet capable tablet. The OnePlus Pad Go is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which is designed for efficient multitasking and decent gaming performance. It handles everyday tasks like browsing, video streaming, and light gaming well. However, it may struggle with very intensive apps or games that demand higher graphics and processing power.
क्रेडिट कार्ड आ गया।
क्रेडिट कार्ड आ गया।
मेरा कार्ड
तू खर्च करेगा, भरेंगे पापा।
मैं खर्च करूंगा।
फ्रेम में आओ यार, तुम फ्रेम के बाहर मत जाओ।
One of the highlights of the OnePlus Pad Go is its audio capabilities. It features quad speakers that support Dolby Atmos, delivering a rich, immersive sound experience, particularly good for watching movies and playing games. The omni-bearing sound field ensures consistent audio quality regardless of the tablet's orientation. Pros of this tab includes affordable pricing, offers good value for money with its features. Decent display. The 2.5K display with a 90Hz refresh rate is vibrant and smooth, making it great for multimedia consumption. Dolby Atmos support enhanced audio experience with quad speakers.
OnePlus.
Cons of this device are average camera performance. The 8MP cameras are underwhelming, particularly in low light settings. Limited performance. While sufficient for daily tasks, the Helio G99 is not ideal for heavy gaming or intensive multitasking. No 5G support. The lack of 5G might be a drawback for future-proofing. No headphone jack, requires Bluetooth or USB-C for audio connections, which could be inconvenient for some users.
बस ऐसे दिखा, ऐसे। ये वाह। One more gadget added to my life.
हेलो।
Hello.
HELLO।
ये भगवान।
ए भगवान,
इसे
मैं
वापस ले ले, हैंड टू हैंड।
हेलो
HELLO।
हेलो
ए भगवान।
अब बोल। अब बोलो आप HELLO हेलो।
बोल रहा है लड़का। दबा दो।
हाँ दबा दे।
अब तो फटाफट गेम डाउनलोड कर ले, गेट लगा ले अंदर और जाके खेल। आ गया फॉर्म में होता। मिल गया उसको सब।